Hello friends, if we look back whenever any letter in English language used to come, there were nobody to read that letter because that letter was in English language. Right now I think that people are available, those can understand a little bit, not more but a little bit. You can find people in each and every village, those know the English language. It means that English language is growing day by day, and people even in village areas are learning English language because they know that sometimes they can get letters from government or from other in English language, and if they are not able to read, whenever they apply for job and job interviews although are conducted in national language, but their appointment letters or their advertisement is in English language. You will get appointment letter in English language, and if you are not able to understand what is written in that appointment letter, perhaps you may miss your chance of getting the job, and you will miss the proper date. And if when you come to know, then you will think that you have done a great mistake, that you did not improve your English language. So I think that most of the stuff is in English language. Whatever medicines you are purchasing from bazaar, they are in English language. Whatever things, their covers are in English language, and if you don't know the proper English, then there are the chances that you can make wrong use of that things, such as sometimes on wrappers the expiry date is written, but if you are not educated, you can't read the expiry date. You can feed your children the expired things, and the result may be, I think, dangerous. So English learning is necessary in present era. A person from a family should be educated who is living. Especially I think that mothers should be educated, because mothers are always staying at home, and if they are illiterate, they can't guide their children in proper way. So necessary for everybody. I think that learning two languages, national and international, are necessary in present era. And right now, with the help of social media, you are able to understand or learn another language very easily, because you can find lot of videos, stuff on social media which will guide you how you can improve yourself in English language. So try to improve yourself in English language. If you are a working person or you are staying at home, then you can spend a little bit time on daily basis to improve yourself in English language, because this language will help you if you are browsing social media or if you are reading newspaper. Sometimes mostly, as I told you, that things are written in English language on wrappers, on medicines. So if you know the English language, this will help you a lot. Hope you find this video useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, do subscribe so that you never miss our other videos. I am Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.